Hi. And Maddie.
Oh, hi.
Okay, so wait, everyone move back. I don't want it all over my head.
Oh, when you want to spit into the grace.
Okay, so
But I want to be able to see Pop.
okay, we're doing the cinnamon challenge for the third time for me and at Maddie, but it's the first time for her.
Yeah, because like last time I did it, it was like nothing. Like it was just like.
All right, so on three, all of us do it.
Spit to the grass.
Yeah, but
But the grass is like.
okay, move back. Okay. Play. Look
So
at that
we're
play.
just trying to keep it in our mouth.
Yeah.
Pretend for as long as we can without
Okay.
choking.
Okay, ready?
Hold it at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see Katrina first.
No. I don't think I fit this all in my mouth.
1, 2, 3. I'll get water. Don't forget, I'll get water.
My God!
Wait, I'll get water. Stay here, Chloe.
Oh my God. I'm crying. Yeah, here I'm
Are
crying.
there any more? Don't worry.
Go me. But, stop. Hi. Ew, I can sure. Oh.
Yes! Like chocolate.
Okay. I almost vomited. Oh my god.